about you, Jasper, but I can hear something on the other side of this door. Something that sounds like it's breaking the rules again. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I heard rustling. What? This door was closed! How did you even? Mitzi, escaping the scene! Buddy! Buddy, I know you're hungry. I'll feed you proper cat food, like, in a second. Just let me taste this dog maroon. Look at this. It's dog food. It's pedigree. That's a dog. You're a cat. You're a cheeky cat. How did you even open this door? It was closed, right? Buddy, do you have like opposable thumbs? No, you just have sheer determination. That's it. And hunger. I kinda get it.